Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $36 per hour, or even more, by playing video games. And you can make a lot of money using this method that I'm going to show you. And it's going to be quite a variety of ways that you can make money playing video games. So pay attention, let's get started right now. Alright guys, so the very first thing that you can do to make money playing video games is on get paid to sites, okay? So I'm just going to show you a few examples, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these sites because they're going to make you the least amount of money, but probably the easiest or the easier way to make money faster than the other methods. But this is the least potential of earning money for playing video games, okay? So this site is actually called getpaid2.com. So this one, you can play games, okay? So this is one of the site at getpaid2.com. Another site that you can do this at is called swagbucks.com. So these are the games right here that you can play. Oh, of course, these sites all have multiple ways of earning. It's not just going to be video games that I'm showing you for these sites, because there's always going to be several ways that you can make money with these get paid to sites. So if you look at their menu here, you can see on the left there are several ways that you can make money on this Swagbucks site, and it's very popular. It's been around for a long time, so this is totally legit. But you're going to earn, like I said, not very much playing video games on this site or this site. And the third site I want to show you is inboxdollars.com. This one you can even sign up and get a bonus when you sign up. But here, again, there's several ways. There's 6 ways here you can earn money by doing different tasks. And one of them is playing video games, okay? So sites like these, there's so many of these sites, guys. There's many of them. So you just, and there's apps that allow you to play video games, and it works exactly like these sites. They have multiple ways to earn money, and so you just kind of look through different apps on your phone and to see if which ones can allow that. But I'm going to move on to the more money making sites, okay, or methods that will make you bigger money. So the first one is testing games. So this is very fun for anyone who's interested or love playing games. This is called playtestcloud.com. So like the name on the left here, playtestcloud, and then add .com, you'll get to the site. So this site is going to be for their clients, okay? The first page that you see on here. So what this site does is that this company, it helps video game developers get their games tested, because as you can imagine, there's tons of games being developed all the time. And so the people who are developing these games who want to get their games tested before they go on market, they will go to a company like Playtest Cloud to get their game tested. And then Playtest Cloud will, turn around and recruit people like you and me to actually play the games, the new games, and then let them know, what you think and so forth. So this is how it works, okay? You're going to go on the top right here. You see it says become a tester. You're going to click that link to go to the page that you need to find out more about this. It's very simple here. All you can do is we'll send you games to your email address. Basically, after you fill out this and do a test, there's going to be a test, game test you can do. Think out loud while you play. So this part here is very important, and that's part of your testing, is that they need to kind of know what you're thinking, your first impressions of the game. If you feel it's easy to find things or easy to figure out things and so forth, they may even have instructions for you to how to play or try to do this or that, do that with the game. And so you just kind of think out loud, like they say, because you probably need to be recording yourself while you're playing the game, or maybe it's recording you while you're playing the game. So after that, after the test is over, you're going to be paid through PayPal, okay? So here, your sign up form is very easy. It's like email, phone name, and then the games that you like to play. And then you want to let them know what you have. this is very important, guys, okay? So you want to select everything that you have so that you have more opportunities to test games that are on different devices. Which country do you live in? So there are multiple countries here, but I'm going to tell you this is currently restricted to 3 areas, okay? But they're allowing anybody to register. The rest of the information is very easy, and then you can start a testing game. So you're going to do a test game right here. So I've gone through the FAQs and I want to just pull out a few that are important that you may want to know. So it says, how do I become a playtester? I told you about, you just got to sign up with that. And then you're going to do a short unpaid qualification test, okay? So you need to go through this process so that they know that you kind of know what's going on, okay? To at least, know how to use the controllers and all that. So it is important for them to see if you even know how to play a video game. And so once you do that, then you're going to be eligible for real tests. Is play testing a job? So no, this is not a full-time job or anything like that. You're not an employee. You're just going to be one of their testers. So in fact, it's like you're a contractor for them. They're just paying you as a contractor. And generally, you're going to earn about $9 for every 15-minute playtest that you do. So that works out to be $36 an hour, okay? We will always let you know how much the reward payment is in the invitation email we send you. So you're going to know ahead of time. But generally, you're going to be earning about $9 per 15-minute playtest and survey, okay? So I guess you play 15-minute test and then you do a little survey about the test. And remember, you got to think out loud when you're doing the play test. So that works out to be $36 per hour if you do several tests, if they have that many available. You always should check the email because it'll show you the actual amount. Anybody can be a tester. The only problem is that the game developers that they're working with is only from USA, UK, and Canada. So if they were to have more game developers coming through from other countries, then they will have other countries available. But at this moment, they don't. And then they pay through only PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, then that's it. You cannot use this or get paid out. So you got to make sure you have access to PayPal. And these 3 countries do have access to PayPal. I know that for sure. Okay. So this site is also 13 plus. A lot of these sites are also 13 plus. All right, so another way to make money with video games is, of course, at Twitch, at twitch.com. Twitch is where you can actually earn money, earn big money using this platform. But this is going to take a lot of time for you to earn money because you have to build up a following, okay? So once you have a following, there are several ways for you to earn on Twitch. And one of the biggest earners on here is making like millions of dollars, like over $5 million a year. So this is no joke being on Twitch. And it's one of the major ways that you can make huge money. The ways that you can make money with Twitch is, I've found this site where it kind of breaks down from subscriptions. So subscribers that you get, they will subscribe to your Twitch channel, and they pay. When they pay, you split the money with Twitch and yourself. So you're going to be earning from their subscriptions, from your subscribers. You're going to be earning from ad revenue. And then people on the Twitch who are watching you can also donate to you. Look at, I mean, just donations itself, they're earning, 6 figures a year. And then on top of that, you could gain sponsorships from brands and companies that want you to kind of advertise for them on your channel. So stuff like that is very lucrative when you're earning big, okay? Those are the ways that you can earn. So is YouTube. So YouTube is another way for you to earn on here. So YouTube, you could go live like these guys are right now, Fortnite Live. It's just one example I was doing. So on YouTube, there's really several ways for you to earn. Like, you don't have to be someone that is actually playing on here, okay? You could be someone that is just doing, like this channel right here, 5 Fortnite streamers who forgot they were live and doing stuff like compilations of clips, So these are getting millions and millions of views, guys, okay? So getting these amounts of views is big, because then you could qualify for the ads that you can earn on your channel from YouTube. Plus, of course, the sponsorships that you can get from brands. As your channel grows really big, you can work with brands and companies for sponsorships, and that could go up, 6 figures a year, depending on how big you get on YouTube. Another way that you can make money from video games, from playing video games, is actually coaching other people playing video games, okay? I'm always using Fortnite as an example because my kids play it, my girls. Fiverr.com is the site of this website. Fiverr.com is a freelancing site. So this is a marketplace, and that's why it's advantageous if you don't have any following or brand new to be online, to come on a site like Fiverr.com, because it is already a marketplace, meaning there's already people going to Fiverr.com to buy services. So you could be someone that is providing a service, like coaching other people play the game that you love. So you could do your own package, and you could use these examples as how people are charging. See, this guy's starting at, or this kid really, or teenager, is starting at $30, or you could start at $5. So once you have a gig on here, you could promote your gig to get even more sales for yourself on different social media, okay? So you could go on Twitter or TikTok or any kind of social media account that you want to build on Instagram, or even YouTube, to promote your coaching services as you're building your channels. Or even on Twitch, you can say, hey, I have a coaching gig on Fiverr.com. You want me to teach you how to play Fortnite. So it's very possible for you guys to earn money coaching other people. So the last method that I want to show you is that you can actually build a blog, okay? If you build a blog website, you can monetize that blog with affiliate programs and affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is that you can actually earn money from referring people to like GameStop.com or Amazon.com to go buy the games that you love. And you could earn a commission from people going to those places to go buy the games. So if you love talking about video games and strategies and whatnot, you could build yourself a blog talking about all that. And this site right here teaches you how to build your blog in a way that it attracts its own visitors, and it teaches you how to use affiliate marketing to monetize that blog. Everything is detailed step by step. You're not going to be lost. You're going to be with the best type of training out there to build your blog. And you know why I know this is because I started here in 2016. This is what I do to earn passive online income every single month, guys. And I love it. And that's why if you want to join me, it's best for you to join with me so that you can get me as your free coach if you decide to upgrade to premium. Now, I say upgrade to premium because right now you can actually go on this platform for free, because there is no credit card needed, and actually just go and set up your free account to try out the lessons. So they actually offer you 5 levels of lessons in there, which has 10 lessons in each level, and they give you that first level free. So you could, but from that first level, you could already start your blog. Like, you're gonna have a free blog on the internet by the time you finish those first 10 lessons. So that is very worth it, your time to check it out. And so when you upgrade, which is very cheap to upgrade, okay, your first month is only $19, and every month after that is only $49 a month. Now, this is very powerful training in the sense that you are building your website in a way that it attracts its own visitors, and that means that you're going to be able to build this online asset that will make money on its own, okay? So it is very powerful, and this is something that they have taught me how to do so well that I became one of their super affiliates in 2018. And so this is a great platform for you to learn from. And if you have somebody like me behind you, then you're going to be more advantageous, because you're going to have somebody who already makes money from this training and know what they're doing and can help you all the way through, okay? So the way to get to this site is using my link, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. Okay, once you go there, it'll take you, it'll go through a process and you'll get to this page, And you know that you got to the right page when you see my face on here with this message, okay? So go ahead and use that link below the screen here that you'll see. And it's also in the video description. It's going to be the second link that you could check there as well, okay? So I hope you have found several ways for you to make money playing video games with this video, and I really hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, so I hope you get notified so you can see when it comes out. I hope I see you on the next video, guys. Bye!